Welcome to our channel, where we bring you the latest health tips and valuable insights to keep you informed. Today we are diving deep into a very important topic. We will uncover 8 weird and often overlooked symptoms of Parkinson's disease that you need to know. Most people associate Parkinson's only with tremors and stiffness. But the truth is, Parkinson's can affect the body and brain in many unusual ways that often go unnoticed. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of the strange symptoms that may signal the early stages of this condition. If you are new here, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable health content. Now let's begin. Symptom number 1, loss of sense of smell. One of the earliest and strangest signs of Parkinson's is a reduced ability to detect odors. This is called hyposmia, and it can occur years before motor symptoms like tremors appear. You may notice that food does not taste as flavorful, or you have difficulty identifying scents like perfume or spices. Researchers believe this happens because the disease affects the olfactory nerves in the brain. If you or someone you know experiences an unexplained loss of smell, it may be worth checking with a doctor. Symptom number 2, small handwriting. This unusual symptom is known as micrographia. People with Parkinson's often find that their handwriting becomes smaller and more cramped over time. It happens because the disease affects fine motor control. If you compare past handwriting samples, the difference is usually noticeable. This can be one of the subtle warning signs that something is happening in the nervous system. Symptom number 3, sleep disturbances. Parkinson's can cause unusual sleep behaviors. People may act out their dreams, thrash around, or even shout while sleeping. This condition is called REM sleep behavior disorder. It occurs when the brain fails to properly regulate muscle activity during dreaming. Sometimes these vivid and active dreams appear years before Parkinson's is diagnosed. If you or a loved one experiences aggressive movements or talking in sleep, it may be a hidden sign. Symptom number 4, constipation. Digestive changes are another strange sign of Parkinson's. The disease affects the nervous system that controls the gut, leading to slower bowel movements. Chronic constipation that does not respond to diet changes or fiber may be linked to Parkinson's. Doctors now consider constipation one of the key early markers of this condition. Pay attention to long-term digestive issues, as they may reveal more than you think. Symptom number 5, changes in voice. People with Parkinson's may develop a softer, more monotone voice. You may notice that the person speaks more quietly or with less variation in tone. This happens because the disease affects the muscles involved in speech. Sometimes, others may think the person is mumbling, when in reality it is a neurological symptom. This change can be frustrating, but recognizing it early can help in diagnosis. Symptom number 6, facial masking. Parkinson's can reduce facial expressions, making a person look emotionless. This symptom is often described as having a mask-like face. It occurs because the muscles of the face become stiff and less responsive. As a result, others may mistakenly think the person is sad, angry, or uninterested. But in reality, it is simply the disease affecting muscle control. This can have a big impact on communication and social interactions. Symptom number 7, dizziness and fainting. Some people with Parkinson's experience drops in blood pressure when standing up. This is known as orthostatic hypotension. It can cause dizziness, lightheadedness, or even fainting spells. The reason is that the nervous system struggles to regulate blood pressure properly. If you notice frequent dizziness, especially when standing, it may be linked to Parkinson's. Symptom number 8, depression and anxiety. Parkinson's does not only affect movement, it also impacts mood. Many people experience unexplained sadness, low motivation, or anxiety. This is not just a reaction to the disease, but part of its biological effects on the brain. Chemical changes in dopamine and serotonin pathways contribute to these emotional shifts. If depression or anxiety appears without a clear reason, it may be an early symptom. Now that we have covered the 8 weird symptoms, let's quickly recap. Loss of smell, small handwriting, sleep disturbances, constipation, voice changes, facial masking, dizziness, and mood changes. These unusual signs may appear years before Parkinson's is officially diagnosed. That is why paying attention to them is so important. Early recognition can lead to earlier treatment, which may slow the progression and improve quality of life. If you or someone you know has several of these symptoms, consult a healthcare professional for proper evaluation. If you're really committed to improving your health, make sure to check the description below. I've shared some of the best tools and resources that I personally recommend for staying on track, building strength, and making progress faster. Now let's talk about why these symptoms are often ignored. Many of these signs, like constipation, depression, or loss of smell, can be caused by other conditions. That's why doctors may not immediately link them to Parkinson's. However, when several of these symptoms appear together, it raises suspicion. Another challenge is that people often dismiss these changes as part of aging. But Parkinson's is not simply aging, it is a neurological disorder. Recognizing the early warning signs can make a major difference. It allows patients to start medications, therapies, and lifestyle changes sooner. This can help maintain independence and slow disease progression. Lifestyle factors also play a role in managing Parkinson's. Exercise, especially activities like walking, cycling, or Tai Chi, can improve balance and mobility. A healthy diet rich in antioxidants and omega-3s may support brain health. Managing stress through meditation or relaxation techniques can also improve symptoms. It's important to work closely with healthcare providers for a personalized plan. Parkinson's is a challenging condition, but with awareness and proactive care, people can still lead fulfilling lives. The key is not to ignore these strange symptoms when they appear. Instead, view them as signals from the body that deserve attention. If detected early, treatment options can be more effective. Medications like levodopa can improve motor symptoms. Other therapies, such as deep brain stimulation, may help in advanced cases. Support groups and counseling can also make a huge difference in emotional well-being. Remember, knowledge is power. By understanding these 8 weird symptoms, you are better prepared to protect your health and the health of your loved ones. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with others. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable health insights every week. Together, we can spread awareness and help more people recognize the early signs of Parkinson's disease. Thank you for watching, and take care of your health.